You are watching a master at work.
Shut up.
Talk to me. Holy shit, you gotta go easy on me, bro. When was the last time you full ported your account? Yesterday. Today, actually. Fuck. Yeah, I did today. Again, I'm trading a knowledge is power. I'm trading a really small account. So, what do you recommend when it comes to small account and emotions and holding when your calls cost half my account? Personally, I would recommend you take profit at the first trim. It's not much, but believe me or not, the 100 days will become 200 days. The 300 days will become 400 days. And taking advantage of days like today, days like yesterday, so if you were here, last month, we were doing maybe 2 to 3 signals a day just because we were in that choppy market environment. And then when the market started, like today coming in, you saw 6 signals from me, 3 from Chippy, 10 from fucking reality. This is kind of a sign like, oh shit, we're back into that uptrend. Maybe today I'll instead of trimming, I'll raise my stop loss. So when I say, trim 7, let's say, we took an entry at $6 and I say trim 7.5. What you'll do is you'll put a stop loss at 7. And then I say trim 8. You'll move that stop loss to 7.5. And I say trim 9, you'll move that stop loss to 8. You'll use a trailing stop loss as it's going up. But you don't need to put it automatically. It does it for you. If you want to, you can totally do that, demon trades. But me personally, I like to watch the ticker and based on the candlesticks, I like to pretty much stop out. What's your way of spotting a reversal? Again, I'm watching levels. I'm watching areas where there's buying and selling pressure. I started with 10K and I'm at 3,500. Can you help me get back to 10K? Honestly, man, if you are able to manage your emotions, going back to 10K is not that bad. I had a position on Friday that went from $700 to 23,000. Swear to God, that's fucking 44.50 or whatever. Did 3 contracts. I just rolled up. I kept rolling over, rolling up. What time frame do you use for the weighted moving averages? Daily, 4 hour, hourly. Sometimes I'll watch it on the minute, 5 minute, just to kind of gauge the dynamic support and resistance. I know you say you have no emotions, but how do you manage emotions until you become cold? You trade with what some people will call is fuck you money. I'm not trading with my rent. I'm not trading with my bills. I'm not trading with money that I need to pay. I'm trading with first of all, a small portfolio compared to what I used to trade. Helps me manage my emotions, helps me manage my risk. People trade like it's the last trading day of their lives. They want to make 100,000, 10,000, 15,000. Bro, do you understand? If you make $100 a day or $1,000 a day, you're still making more than the 60% of the average American. You're making $200,000, $300,000 per year. So if you trade quality setups, you make your 500, you make your 1,000. You slowly grow the portfolio. How do you know when you're ready to start sizing per trade or risking more? When the setup in front of me, is an uptrend, broke previous lower higher high, above the weighted moving averages, and the buying pressure is aggressive, that's where I'll kind of size up. What's your routine like when you're making your watch list? I trade the same basket of tickers. I trade the same basket of tickers every day. I trade SPX, I trade Tesla, I trade Amazon, I trade Google, I trade Nvidia, I trade AMD. Days like today, I'll trade AMC, GME, but everything is charted every single day. So after I'm done trading, I'm pretty much done. I wake up in the morning and 2 hours before market open, I look at the charts, quick glance to see at which level they are, and I kind of just base it on that. Can you show us the TTM scanner settings on TOS for us? It's on my other account, Knowledge is Power. Remind me to send you a link. I'll send you the link since you already have the mentorship video. It's already in there, but I'll show you. You use Heikinashi. I do not use Heikinashi. I use it sometimes on a 1 second chart. Sometimes. On average, when you trade SPX, how many times do you trim before fully exiting positions? What how do you trim? So, it all really depends on the size of the trade. So if I'm in $10,000, I'll trim. I'll trim 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. But if I'm in a lighter position, I'll hold way longer. It's just based on emotions. But at the same time, with SPX, freaking can go up 70% and down 30% in one candle. So you kind of want to gauge how it is. Do you truly think it's possible for most people to become full-time traders for a living and quit their 9 to 5 and just work job part-time? If you have discipline, knowledge is power. I 100% think it's possible. For me personally, I was working in the beginning. Like when I started, I've been trading since I was 18 years old. So I had to work along the way. You can't keep making money in the market. You'll lose some money, especially when you're first starting to learn. But I actually stopped and started quitting is when my my trading income surpassed my job income by 3 times. And I had a cushion in my bank account where I was able to trade for a living. And then at the same time, when I'm making profits, let's say today I made $10,000. I withdrew the entire $10,000 that I made. I pay myself daily. Yesterday, I made $7,000. I withdrew the entire $7,000. In my bank account right now, from weekly profits alone, there is $17,000. I withdraw on a daily basis. So it lets me trade for a living. And I'll be completely honest with you, I really live a very modest and humble lifestyle. I'm not in the club spending $70,000, $80,000 in one day. $17,000 is enough for 3 months for me. I don't do shit, actually, to be completely honest. I travel when I want to travel a little bit, but in all reality, I'm mostly staying at home, going out to dinner here once in a while to help myself. But in all reality, I live a very modest and humble lifestyle. So I don't need a lot of fucking money to make money, to feel like I need to work more.
You are watching a master at work.